the sun, our life-giving star. Our sun, a blazing sphere of hot gas, dictates life on Earth. It provides warmth, fuels photosynthesis, and governs our weather patterns. Without the sun, Earth would be a barren, frozen wasteland. Its gravity holds our solar system together, keeping planets in their orbits. We are bound to the sun, reliant on its constant energy for our very existence. It is the ultimate source of life, a celestial powerhouse that shapes our world. The sun, however, will not last forever. Billions of years in the future, it will exhaust its nuclear fuel. When this happens, our star won't explode as a supernova. It lacks the mass for such a violent, catastrophic end. Instead, it will go through a different, less dramatic process. Despite that, let's indulge our curiosity and imagine the impossible. What if the sun explode? Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. If the sun were to explode, we wouldn't know it immediately. We'd continue our lives oblivious to the cataclysmic event that had just unfolded millions of miles away. 8 minutes later, though, the light from the explosion would arrive, and with it, our doom. The initial wave of energy would incinerate Earth. Temperatures would soar to unimaginable levels, vaporizing anything in their path. Oceans would boil away, mountains would melt, and the very surface of our planet would turn to molten slag. Life in all its forms would be extinguished in an instant. Earth, once a vibrant world teeming with life, would be reduced to a lifeless, scorched rock. Section 5. Adrift in the cosmos, a planet untethered. The sun's gravity is what keeps Earth in orbit. With the sun gone, Earth would be flung out into the vast emptiness of space like a stone from a slingshot. No longer tethered to its star, our planet would begin a long, lonely journey through the cosmos. It would drift aimlessly, a celestial wanderer in the cold, dark void. Section 6. The deep freeze plunging into unending cold. The heat from the explosion would be short-lived. As Earth drifted further away from the sun's remnants, temperatures would plummet rapidly. The planet would begin to cool, and it would cool fast. Oceans, if any remained, would freeze over, and the atmosphere itself would begin to condense and fall as snow. Section 7. Eternal night darkness envelops Earth. Without the sun, Earth would be plunged into perpetual darkness. The familiar cycle of day and night would be gone, replaced by an unending blackness. The faint light from distant stars would be the only illumination, a poor substitute for the life-giving rays of our now-gone sun. Section 8. Life without light, the extinction of all that was. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would cease, and with it the foundation of most life on Earth would crumble. Plants would die, followed by the animals that depend on them. The intricate web of life that had evolved over billions of years would unravel, leaving behind a silent, barren world. Section 9. In appreciation of our star, a solemn reminder. While the scenario of the sun exploding is purely hypothetical, it serves as a stark reminder of our star's importance. The sun is more than just a bright light in the sky. It is the very source of our existence. It is a celestial powerhouse that dictates life as we know it. We are, in the truest sense, children of the sun, and our fate is inextricably linked to its own.